Civil emergency message for a blue alert for Tennessee. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation has issued a statewide Tennessee blue alert for Stephen Joshua Wiggins. Wiggins is listed as a person of interest by the Dixon County Sheriff's Office and the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, Nashville, Tennessee, in the shooting death of a Dixon County deputy on May 30th, 2018. Wiggins should be considered armed and dangerous. If you have information concerning Wiggins, please contact the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation in Nashville, Tennessee at 1-800-TBIFI North D.
Let's read. Why, Ryder? Highlight. Read with me. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and does not know where to find them.